I'm Mike
And I'm Molly.
with Virtuoso Builders here in San Antonio, Texas, and welcome to another edition of Behind
Behind
the
the
Drywall.
Drywall. So today we are back in the same house, if you're following along, where we started out right before demo. And it's been a month later, so a lot has happened. It's all gone. So we're going to show you, we're going to walk through. We can't go into the master bathroom right now because our homeowner is living in the house, so we're just going to stay away from that area for now. That's part of it being phased out.
Right.
So
So here, before the demo, obviously, but now it's after demo. So all the floors have been removed. The concrete has actually been grinded into a smooth surface to get it ready for the next trade when they do the wood floor installation. We also actually have a couple of samples of paint on the wall that are part of what we're trying to decide. And those are little cans. So we have a couple of samples of paint on the wall. We actually have some different colored paint sample on the mantle, which is going to be pretty much all the trim. Then if we come in here into the breakfast room kitchen, the same thing. The floor's been demoed. All the cabinets are gone. We have since rewired the kitchen completely. We've replumbed the kitchen for the new locations for the fridge, where we knocked the wall back to give room for a refrigerator. That's all been inspected. It's all passed inspection. And so right now we're in the middle of drywalling. We're covering up all the holes that were cut. We're sanding them, and they'll get ready for texture here probably around the end of the day today.
yeah, so that's why we're really wanting to finalize the paint colors. So Mike was talking about the floors. So these used to be tile on one side and carpet on the other, and now all of it is going to be wood. So it's going to be real nice. It's going to flow right into all the areas, even included into the master bedroom, up the stairs. And then last time we were explaining how the footprint is going to stay the same. So really it's all new cabinets, all new everything. We are extending the cabinets, stopped right here, and now we're going to have them run all the way
to here. Right. So
we're getting stopped here.
We're getting about another 2 feet of cabinets on this side.
Storage.
Right. More storage, better.
Oh yeah. So that'll be nice. We've got some beautiful quartz countertops that are going in, and that was one area where it had to be recessed back because of the refrigerator. So we borrowed some room from a closet on the other side of this wall, and then that way the refrigerator goes back and it's all nice.
Well, then we have a little bit more room to walk around the island. It was a little bit tight, and we just got lucky that we had a closet there that we could use. So we're pushing that wall back. Like Molly was saying, the wood floor is going to continue throughout the house. It's also going to be in here in the dining room. And in here, really, it's the flooring, painting.
I'll get the flooring.
There you go. We have samples of the paint up on the walls as well. As you can see, there's scaffolding. There's a lot of drywall repair because the house is about 25 years old. So we're fixing all of that while we're doing this at the same time.
This is the color that we chose for the flooring. So that's going to look so nice.
Then
so nice.
If we duck under here, or actually I don't think I have to, but
yeah,
vertically challenged. Anyways, in this room, this is the powder. And really what we're doing in the powder is we're going to dress it up a little bit. Here, go ahead. We're putting a wainscoting in here. Is that right?
Yes. Yeah. So there's going to be paneling that's going to go all the way over here. If you come in here, there's a line that shows where we're going to stop. That's always something we need to make sure of with the clients. Okay, where do you want to stop? There's a plug that's right there. So we're going to have the paneling here, and it's going to be a beautiful pedestal sink that's right here. And then we're going to have some type of a pretty color. Right now we're looking at some real muted blues, something
Here, I'll
like
join
that.
you in here.
So we'll see how that goes, but the lighting is changing. This have wallpaper. a border which was all over the house, and
No
that's
mas.
going by.
So as you can see, just in the last month, we've progressed quite a bit. We're hoping to get
It's moving fast.
the texture will be done on the drywall here within the next couple days, and then hopefully we're going to end up putting in paint, and then we're going to install our wood floor. And there's a bathroom upstairs as well that we can visit at another time, and that's basically the same rate of where we're at now. So once we get the floor in, we'll work on that on the bathroom upstairs, and then the cabinets.
All right. Hope you like what you saw. And we'll probably be back here in a month, so you'll get to see how it's progressed even more. So keep watching. And if you like what you see, give us a thumbs up. Share with your friends and your neighbors and your family and everybody.
Thanks.
Thanks so much. See you next time.